So hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arshwal, associate with Dialyzy. Welcome to Dialyzy. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss with you recently, another legal topic as we always do on the Dialyzy. So let's start the discussion without any delay. So Bar Council of India or BCI should, frame rules to regulate, conduct of litigants appearing in person. Delhi High Court in plea seeking absurd reliefs in this case. So what happened in this case? Let's find out in this video. So the Delhi High Court recently observed that the Bar Council of India or BCI should frame rules to regulate the conduct of litigants appearing in person to minimize the flow of frivolous litigation and to reduce the burden on the courts. The name of the case is Naresh Sharma versus Union of India and others. The court in this case, in its order, stated that the courts, often experience abusive and frivolous litigation, which results in an enormous amount of wastage of time. While the code of ethics exists for lawyers, the same does not exist in the case of litigants appearing in person, which is a barrier in itself for the justice delivery system. This embargo of absence of ethical conduct needs to be addressed by the Bar Council of India, and some guidelines for establishment of ethical code for self-representation litigants need to be framed. The order in this case has stated, and Justice Swarnakant Sharma said that self-represented litigants bear certain responsibilities when presenting their case before the courts. They have a duty. He said that they have a duty to critically assess the merits of their claims and consider whether there is a reasonable legal basis for their case. Since frivolous litigation burdens the court system, wastes judicial resources and hinders the administration of justice, it is responsibility of the self-represented litigants to ensure that their case has a genuine legal basis supported by relevant facts and legal principles. So that's all about our discussion. That's all about the brief of this case called Naresh Sharma versus Union of India. In case of any doubt, any confusion, do let me know in the comment section. See you on the next video with some more information.